There is no cosmic rule book for human beings. All the things that seem like obvious rules, like don't kill other people, were just made up. Informed, of course, by ideas like survival and evolution, because if we all just killed each other, there would be no society, and most people think the concept of society is good, even though that's just another human construct. So we can say that there is no right or wrong way to be. There are just subjective points of view and collective ideas. Now, societies do make laws and try and establish rule books. Many of these laws basically say that people are not allowed to take away the freedoms of others, which makes logical sense if we think societies are good and useful for humans. Because if you're allowed to take away the freedoms of others, that devolves into it being okay to take the lives of others, and then all of a sudden, no more society. Okay, why might this be useful today? Well, if you feel like the way that you are is the absolute right way to be, or if you're convinced that your beliefs are the best possible beliefs, please challenge yourself to argue the other side. Just argue against your beliefs. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean changing your beliefs. It means taking a little time to sample different perspectives, especially if you think there shouldn't be other perspectives. That's the red flag. You can try harder. This exercise will make you more open-minded, empathetic, and logical. Now, I believe that one way to de-escalate the hate and vitriol going on right now in our country is for everyone to practice thinking that there is no right or wrong way to be. There are only subjective points of view. And the best humans can do is to focus on having logical discussions about what rules can be created to develop the best possible society.